I'm Scott Williams. I own Skyefire Bakery, and this is how we do it. Baking our sourdough. Here at the bakery, we use a stone bottom deck. They are amazing for baking bread. The most important thing is get the temperature. If your bread is ready, and make sure it's ready, because underproofing or overproofing will mean there will be no color. Underproofing means they're gonna crack open and become irregularly shaped. Temperature is important. We do it about 450 Fahrenheit. Steam is crucial, but if you have no steam, you have no crust and no color, and they will look awful and you will lose that taste. With good shaping and good consistency, you will get different types of loaves. You can make tons of different bread just by the way your dough is stiffer, lighter, proofed, shaped, formed. This is how we bake our sourdough.